Hello to Internet, welcome to our ongoing series all about smartphone tips, some best practices for mobile advertising on AdWords. My name's Sean Quadlin, I'm a product marketing manager here at Google, focusing on best practices. So in a different video we talked about ad text, and a very important part that complements your ad text are ad extensions. And so in this video I want to talk about 4 ad extensions that are particularly useful for mobile users. The first one is site link extensions. You can use these to drive online sales and just online engagement with your site. What's really great about these is that users can see what parts of site you're promoting, and they can actually navigate directly to what's most useful to them. Now, when you're thinking about your mobile users, you want to keep mobile utility in mind. When somebody's on the go, they might have different use cases when coming to your site, so think about that within your site links. When you're enabling mobile preferred site links, try to have at least 6 at one time. The AdWords system is going to choose whichever extension is most likely to perform well, depending on a user's query, and so if you give the system plenty of options, it's actually going to have that much better chance at success. So give it a lot to choose from. Another really helpful extension to use for mobile users is location extensions, which you can use to drive store sales or just drive people to your brick and mortar locations, wherever they may be. When you set these up, you can actually increase your bid adjustments by radius around your locations. So if you know that somebody is particularly nearby, you can be a bit more aggressive and try to get that person to come to your store to get some in-store sales or any type of engagement for a mobile user. So really, if you have store locations, use location extensions to drive mobile users right to you. Another great extension to use is call extensions if you want to drive phone sales or just get people to pick up the phone and call you. Schedule these for whenever you can answer the phone. If you're not open, don't drive calls then. That's just wasted money. It's like if your site is down, you don't want to drive clicks as well. In this case, it's all about phone calls. One important distinction here is that AdWords also has the opportunity to run call-only ads. And the way that you can decide if you want a call extension or call-only ads is what you value. If you value calls far and away above clicks, then call-only ads might be a better choice. But if you want to drive site traffic along with the ability to actually call you, then call extensions might be a better fit. Think about what you value and make the decision from there. The final extension we're going to talk about today is using app extensions to drive app downloads. So this is a similar case to what we were talking about with call-only ads, where there's also the chance to have app download ads that you can run instead of your app extension. So if you want to drive clicks along with some downloads, then you can use extensions. But if you just want downloads, just choose a different format. And whenever you're using these, bid on both brand and generic keywords. Users might love your app, and if you think that's the case, then you want to be there and let them know about it whenever possible. So that's what we're talking about for mobile users and mobile ad extensions. There's a lot of great ones, but the 4 we focused on today are site links, location, calls, and apps. If you're really interested in extensions of all sorts, we have another video series about that, so please check those out. But for our purposes for mobile advertising, those are the 4 we focused on. Thanks for watching this video. Please check out the rest in our series.